Year 5, Lesson 6, Extensive Challenge 1. In the window of Bradley Bicycle Bazaar, there are some unicycles, some bicycles, and some tricycles. Laura sees that there are 7 saddles and 13 wheels in total, and that there are more bicycles than tricycles. How many unicycles are in the window? So let's call the number of unicycles U, the number of bicycles B, and the number of tricycles T. So therefore, each of these vehicles only have 1 saddle each. So in total, we've got U plus B plus T saddles, which is 7, because each of these things only have 1 saddle. So the number of unicycles, for example, is the same as the number of saddles. I also know that there are 13 wheels in total. So let's think about the number of wheels for each vehicle. A unicycle has this 1 wheel per unicycle, so U wheels. Bicycles each have 2 wheels, so that's 2 per bicycle, and tricycles have 3, giving us 3T. And in total, that's equal to 13 wheels. Now, we've not seen some indeterminate equations like this before. In fact, these look more like simultaneous equations. We've got 3 unknowns to deal with, but we can spot that both of these equations have a U in them. So using a subtraction, I can get rid of one of my unknown values. So I'm going to pick equation 2, take away equation 1, because equation 2 has got a lot more terms. So by doing the subtraction, U take away U makes nothing. 2B take away B makes B. 3T take away T makes 2T. And 13 take away 7 makes 6. And then we've got an indeterminate equation that we can solve. Now, going through and doing a little bit of analysis, I can see that 6 is even, as will be 2T, as it's a multiple of 2. So therefore, B has to be even as well. And I'm going to try a few values out. So let's start off with B is equal to 2. Therefore, we get, through our substitution, 2 plus 2T makes 6. 2T is equal to 4, and T is equal to 2. So there's a possible solution. However, actually, we know from our question that there are more bicycles than tricycles. B is bigger than tricycles. So therefore, that's not a possible solution. Next, I think we'll try and find the rest of the solutions through our coefficients. So the next solution for B is going to increase by 2, the T coefficient, and it will become 4. And then the T coefficient needs to decrease by 1, the B coefficient. That makes T is equal to 1. Is B bigger than T? Yes. Are they less than 7 saddles? Yes. So we've found a possible solution. I'm going to give it a tick for now, as we need to investigate if that one's the one. Just want to check one more just in case. So the next solution for B is going to be B is equal to 6, which is increasing by the T coefficient. And of course, T will decrease by the B coefficient and become 0, and that's too small. So we found our only solution, which is B is equal to 4 and T is equal to 1. Now, how do we find out the number of unicycles? Because that was the question. Well, remember they had 7 saddles, and from equation 1, we knew that U plus B plus T is equal to 7. Well, let's substitute in our 2 values now. We get U plus 4 plus 1 equals 7. We can see our missing value is 2.